What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to this Layer BTC update video. Layer BTC is a new layer 2 that is upcoming on top of Bitcoin, and I just want to remind you guys that right now we have the chance to invest into this new layer 2 before it is coming out in the very early stage phase. So I'm gonna remind you about that and also how to invest into this coin. Of course, we also have now Layer BTC here on CoinGobber, and also here the completely big description about the project is visible here. You can read everything about the project here as well. Next, of course, to the website. But very important, guys, is if you are currently investing into this coin, use the official link that you find here in the video description. Layer BTC is not only going to be the layer 2 on top of Bitcoin if it's coming out successfully, but also they have a native token that of course has great upside potential, because we can buy in right now at this price, and this is the launch price based on the exchange here, based on the website here at launch. And that's why, guys, I am not a financial advisor. I'm here to entertain you. This is all, everything personally, whatever I am buying and selling and whatever I'm trading here in the crypto space, I'm sharing everything with you in this crypto journey. And on top of that, we also are going to do always $100 giveaway worth of meme coins with every 1,000 subscribers. So make sure to be active in this channel, comment in every video. And the more I see you and the more you comment, the more likely it is I'm gonna select you as a lucky winner in the next $100 giveaway worth of meme coins. So that's why make sure to be subscribed on this channel and check out all links in the video description. Feel free also to join my other social media platforms. Maybe we're gonna do some giveaways in the X account or Telegram or Instagram and so on. So that's why make sure to be subscribed over there. And of course also stay always tuned, because I update you whatever I'm seeing here in the crypto space that is important. And of course, whenever we have developments here in different crypto projects, then I'm gonna keep you updated. So remember, if you want to get on board on Layer BTC, use the link in the video description to be on the safe website. And here you can click join the pre-market phase. And the only thing that you have to do is, like I have done here, to connect the wallet here, like MetaMask, for example, and then you can interact here with the dashboard. You can use, for example, Ethereum, BSC and so on to invest into this coin if you want. And here you give the amount that you would like to invest, and if you click here buy now, then of course you can get some of the coins. And the balance is visible here at the top. You see that I bought some coins here, and they're only claimable once this project is coming out. So that's why, of course, there is a lot of risk involved, but also if this one is coming out right now, we can, or we could do some nice gains, because this is the current price per token, and this one keeps going higher and higher with every round. Currently we are in round number 4. Maybe by the time you're watching this video, we are already in round number 5, 6, 7, 8 or whatever. And remember that as soon as it's reaching 6 cents, this one will launch on DEXs and exchanges. At least this is supposed to do so. If you're spending at least $500, you get a 10% bonus as well on top of that. So keep that in mind whenever you're DCAing into this coin. And also there are now different articles talking about the Layer BTC project. And here you can see that this is a brand new crypto project running on Binance's smart chain and powered by Layer 2 blockchain technology. This means it's super fast, affordable and safe. Layer 2 blockchains help reduce the load on the main blockchain, which is of course the Bitcoin chain, so Bitcoin itself, which makes transactions smoother and quicker. Layer BTC is designed for the future of Web3 and aims to help users and developers a reliable platform for DeFi apps, smart contracts and daily crypto transactions as well. We will not go through the whole thing, guys, but important is that it will be on the Binance smart chain, at least for now. And then of course it's going to be the layer 2 on top of Bitcoin. And this enables, of course, also for Bitcoin itself, very fast transactions, low fees, strong security, scalable platform, and so on. And this is, of course, why, in my opinion, this one is so bullish. We will see what happened with the coin, but I think that the good thing is that right now we can really invest in the first rounds of this project, and then, of course, hodl and wait for the big launch. I keep you updated with this project as well, guys, especially once we are approaching here the end of the pre-market phase, and as soon as we have some news also on their X or Telegram account, I will update you. But otherwise, until then, we can just keep DCAing into this one and wait here for the launch. And hopefully, of course, it will be a good launch, because then also here we can make some nice gains. And layer 2s on top of Bitcoin, I always like, guys, because it's a win-win situation. Although if you are just accumulating more Bitcoin with altcoins, that means that if you're doing gains with altcoins and converting them into Bitcoin, here I think we have a win-win situation, because the better this coin will perform, and the more gains we can do, hopefully, the more Bitcoin we can buy, and also the better for Bitcoin if we're gonna have finally a good layer 2 on top of Bitcoin. So let's see what will happen, guys, at least for now, I am extremely bullish, and I'm expecting, of course, that this coin also will be a good one. So let's hope so, because yeah, I'm bullish for this project, and I hope that we're gonna see more and more good Bitcoin layer 2, some crypto projects upcoming next to the tier 1 altcoins that we have anyway already in our crypto portfolio, or that you should have. Of course, no financial advice, just my own opinion, guys. And with that said, I'm gonna wrap it up for now. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel also for future giveaways that we do here often with every 1,000 subscribers. Share this video and this channel with all your friends, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.